Good morning. Happy 2026. It's the first day of the year. How is everyone? Good morning, Tris, Brent, Sam, hi, and Trader 007. How was your New Year's Eve and New Year's Day? Happy New Year. Yeah, it's the first day, you guys. First day of a new start, new year. There's always like this excitement, I feel like, around New Year's. Yeah, have a great day too, 007. Let's go. The market is super bullish today so far. So market is already up 246 points. That's kind of a lot. Hey, Heinz. Oh, that sucks. Oh, during Globex last night. Ugh. I know that feeling, Heinz. That sucks. Not a great start, but it's okay. It happens to us all, definitely. Yeah, so NASDAQ is up already 241 points. Let's take a look at ES. ES is up 38 points. Ooh, this is interesting. We are trading below VWAP on ES. NASDAQ, we're still above. I have been wanting to fade this move, but I wanted to see how the market would open at this candle, this hour, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I might just take a stab at this. Okay, we are in short. What a big move overnight. My goodness. I feel like it just like went in one direction. Hopefully the market will go back and test VWAP here, fill in some of this volume profile. And also when I look at the hourly, I see here a gap here, either fair value gap or single prints, depending on your language that you speak. But yeah, hopefully we get it. I was kind of worried to try and keep a short on because I didn't know if like this top of the hour for 8 a.m. sometimes like a lot of volume can come in kind of pre-market, right? At this time. And I was worried that that orders would come in to buy, but so far it looks okay. So we shall see. Yeah, I am liking the hourly for a short. Sometimes it's just easier to look at the hourly, right? Hey, Digital Nukes, good morning. Rug. Oh, that sucks. Rug. Heinz also lost some accounts. So you're not alone. Good morning, Heather. Hey, Denny, what is up? You found a new silver strategy? Oh, I can't wait to hear about it. You'll have to come back on, Denny. I cannot wait to hear about it. Yeah, so Denny was on the show and he showed us the 5-0 strategy. I'd classify it as like a trend capturing strategy at the open. Good morning. I love Chuck Roast. Oh, wait, your name is different. I love Chirk Coast. Did you change your name? Or are you someone different? Good morning, Off the Ground. ICT, not gonna lie. Loving nature guy. Let's go. Heinz is giving Rug a hug. We all need hugs for sure. Yeah, it sucks losing funded accounts and evals. It just sucks. Good morning, Hadley. Did everyone have a good break? Markets were closed yesterday and then they reopened, right? In the evening. Yeah, it felt like a nice break. I was like, oh, I feel like I'm on vacation. A little bit. Hey, Saturday. Denny, I want to hear all about your silver strategy. I'm so excited now. I'm like tempted to call you and then you can tell us. you can tell us live. It's okay though. It'll be such a special treat when you come on and then you can show us. That's so funny. Adventures of Denny. Denny is going on lots of adventures, so we'll have to follow along. Oh, my shirt's not looking so good. This is what I was a little worried about. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Just like thinking that this hour would be bullish, and it's kind of what's happening. Okay, we are taking that trade off, and we will wait. Wait. No problemo. I wonder if part of this buying, I don't know. I'm just speculating. I'm wondering, is part of this buying everyone piling back in after like cutting their trades, their investments for year end? Let me know if you guys have heard any news. Yes, tell us, Denny. Hey, Oscar, good morning. Yeah, we will wait. We'll wait for something juicy. If we get it. Hopefully we do. I think something I want to work on this year is definitely patience. I'm like, you guys, sometimes I feel like the most impatient trader in the whole world. It's like, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait a few hours for a trade to work. Let me just put on 5 minis. I know, it's not good. It's not good. I'm not always like that, right? Just sometimes. Let's go. Oh, I don't know. It's tricky. Good morning, Moses Santana. Good to see you. Yes, NGL totally knows how I feel. Yeah, I think sometimes it's like I'm finding that if I put unnecessary pressure on myself, it's like a bad thing. I don't know if you guys have experienced this before, where it's like if you set rigid goals with your trading, it's almost like it backfires on you. Like if you set monetary goals, like, okay, I just need to make $100 today. And then you're like chasing, and then it's so hard to not just take a loss and just cut it and leave it alone. Versus just like letting the market do what it's going to do, and you just trade your setup and that's it. Easy peasy, right? It sounds so easy, so not easy. Yeah, we'll have to get Sean back on the show. He was fantastic, sharing tips with us, digging deep, having us reflect about like what is happening well before we tilt. I thought it was so interesting how he shared with us like it's so much deeper than just simple as just be disciplined, right? And how we show up as traders is also attached to our upbringing, our values, our beliefs. It's super interesting. Tris says, need small retracement. I know, right? Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's just been one-sided. When you zoom out, you really see this. So when Globex opened, we did take a small dump here, and then this was the low that never got tested, 448, during Globex open. Never got tested, not once. And we've just mostly been trading. Here we touched VWAP, but otherwise we've just been trading on one side of VWAP. Isn't this so incredible? And yeah, this is a 15-minute. We took back this entire dump. I don't know if you guys were trading this. Did anyone trade this? Yeah, this was, I believe, the 31st. So the final day of the year. And now this is our new year. So we are just hovering around those highs. Interesting note of interest. VWAP is here from 2 days ago. Yeah, I do expect some of this to get filled in, right? But anything can happen. We will wait. I have been looking more into Bookmap. I think it's really interesting, the bubbles. Does anyone trade with Bookmap? Hey, Coop. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh, you're also 007. Good morning to you. Yeah, mom is doing okay. She's sleeping right now. She was really happy yesterday, so thanks for asking. Yeah, she's doing okay. We will have a doctor's visit later today, so find out more things later today. But yeah, she's really happy. Uh, Co-Bop says, I sat and watched it go up 150 points and finally got in and made $100. I hear you. Oh my gosh. Last night I was trading a little bit and I was just like, I can't buy because we've already gone up so much. And then I woke up and we pumped even higher. Yeah, it's just incredible. You just never know what the market's going to give us. I am so curious to see if part of this move is just like people adding back in their positions from what they sold at the end of the year. So let's take a look at news. It looks like we have manufacturing PMI, that's Canada's. As far as US news, we have final manufacturing PMI at 945, but it just looks like it's yellow folder news. So nothing really too exciting. Oh, I know. You're always in FOMO. I hear you. It is a tough one, right? I completely hear you. I mean, this move we're already up like 250 points from close, previous day's close. Yeah, I'm feeling a little FOMO too. Thank you, Oscar. I appreciate it. Yes, things are, we always have to try and see the glass half full instead of half empty. Sometimes it's easier said than done, that's for sure. I wonder if we'll go and test this high of day. So far, it looks like the market is having a hard time pushing higher. We shall see. This is the hourly chart. I think there's just so much chop right now. It might be wise just to look at the hourly. Otherwise, you can easily lose your accounts just going like in and out, right? Lots of consolidation here, consolidation. But if we look at the hourly, it is much easier. Maybe we'll go fill in some of this wick. Let's see. Yeah, I would like to see price come down to this level here. So at least 660, I'd say. I'd like to see that. Repair some of this in the volume profile. Sometimes people just get so excited and they're buying, and then you have a bunch of people stuck in long positions. So sometimes the big players don't come in until the price is lower to their liking as far as coming in with big positions. Sometimes though, the market will open up and it's literally like gap and go. Like market's gapped up 250 points and we just go and we just buy. So it'll be interesting to see what New York brings us. But so far, it's looking like it's having a hard time. Isn't this interesting? An inside bar on the hourly, and it did break below. So this was 3 hours of consolidation. This was painful if you were in trading in this hot mess. No, that is not me, fast. Good morning, Johan. Oh, you heard Tesla has fourth quarter production and delivery report around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ooh, thank you for sharing with us. That would be important to know. Okay, production numbers. Very interesting. Yeah, I saw Tesla. It has been selling off, right? This is interesting. I looked at, I saw Amazon on the news, and they were only up 5% for the year, like a full year, which is like nothing. Isn't that interesting? I wonder what's happening with Amazon stock. Okay, I'm going to take a look at Tesla. So Tesla over the past year is up 16.94%. Yeah, let me confirm that information about Amazon. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Amazon. Like, how can that be? Yes, you guys, Amazon over a full year is only up 4.85%. Strange, right? Let's look at the Qs. Q, 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 Q. Okay, so QQQ, which is the index fund that tracks the NASDAQ 100, it's up 20.66% over the full year. Isn't that interesting? Amazon's lagging. What does that mean, you guys? Does that mean it's time to buy Amazon? I don't know. Okay, so Tesla, we'll have to keep our eyes on the news regarding Tesla at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, everyone. Thank you so much, Johan. Hey, Corey. Corey's in the house. Good morning. Adrian's in the house. Good to see you both. How is your 2026 going so far? First workday back of 2026. I feel like this last year really aged me from trading. Do you guys think day trading ages you like faster than normal? Because I feel like it does. Good morning, 44. Everyone smash that like button for me, please. Thank you. Yeah, I think it ages us. I would like to get into a position where I'm just swing trading mostly, just because it does take a toll, I think. Like whenever you see people who've been day trading for a long time, they always look so much older than they really are. Yeah, it does. 007 says yes, it does. Okay, Adrian's prediction. My prediction is that Tesla is going up. I want to see if my trading strategy works. What's your strategy, Adrian? I know you like to swing trade. Oscar says, I would agree. My hairline agrees. Yes, exactly. It's just like so intense. I think, do you guys know who Anthony Crudele is? He is the, let me think his exact title right now, Senior Vice President of Trader Development with Ninja Trader. And he's an old school trader, used to trade on the floor. And so he's been trading his whole career, I believe. And he said that he was trading, making all this money. And then he experienced like a heart attack. And when he was really young, and he thinks it's because of the amount of stress that trading, day trading specifically, you know, it's not good. So I do think about this. Oh, let's look at gold. Let's go. Yeah, gold has been, oh my goodness, look at gold. Wow. Okay, it's coming down some. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna hop in. This is a micro gold contract. I'm gonna hop in too. So the gold market's open before New York time for the indexes, I believe. So maybe this is just part of the open. Let's see if we can get it back to VWAP. Fading gold, small size, so it's okay. This is the $100, $100 bracket, so I'm just risking $200 for 200. Let's go! Congratulations, OMHV, 1K, wow. It's so crazy when you make money that quickly. You can make money so quickly, you can also lose money so quickly too. Happy New Year, Keegan, good to see you. Adrian is using valuation and is dropping into daily demand level. Interesting. That's why you want to move to swing trading, less stress. 100%. I agree, Adrian. I too want less stress. Yes. That's interesting. So you're using like fundamental analysis. You're looking for a cheaper valuation to swing into a long position, but you're also pairing it with technical analysis. Very interesting. Maybe Tesla, it's just like the stock that just keeps pumping. I heard that they're trying to get into robots, that's going to be a really big future revenue source. Yeah, so Tesla's already up 16% over the past year. It's hard to buy the dip, right? I remember seeing Tesla when it was so cheap in like 2018. It was so cheap. And people, ooh, yay, our gold trade's working. Let's go. Let's go. I am working on this rapid account with my funded futures to hopefully get daily payouts. So easy, slow, nice and slow to try and start off the year on a good foot. So this is the eval. The eval is end of day, but once you're in the sim funded, it is a trailing drawdown. And that's where you have to be like really fast with moving your stops to break even, I feel like. And then trailing your profits. It is tricky. It's definitely tricky, and it is a skill to trade anything with a trailing drawdown. Let's go. I like this. This is the 5-minute chart. Woohoo! Awesome trade. So we locked in $200 on this eval. That's awesome. Yay! Hey, Bori, good morning. Happy New Year. Ooh, okay, Rob is seeing some support at 43.98. It is possible. Here's VWAP. Look at this big area here. Is it possible we get a fill? I'm not sure. Everything has pumped overnight. I mean, gold is up 1.26%. If we look at gold on the daily, this is the daily. This is that really big move down that we had. I think I saw gold down over 200 points, which is over $20,000 with just one mini, if you were able to catch it. This was also the day that silver went bananas downhill too. I'm wondering how much of that is liquidation. I heard rumors that, I don't know, some banks, some firms were holding a bunch of silver exposure and people got liquidated. And that is how they're explaining like this big move down. If that's the case, then it's like a correction, right? So I don't know what's going to happen today with gold. But this is a bounce off of this massive trend line, support line. This is an, oh wait, sorry, this is the VWAP actually, which you can also look at as support. I've never really thought about using it on the daily. That's interesting. Okay, be careful, guys. If you're trading gold, be really, really fast. Because gold, you just never know. I feel like gold is even worse than worse than the Nasdaq in that way. Like you have to be so fast. Adrian says we are also above daily open. Hey, Black Beauty Machine, good to see you. Oh, nice. I've never traded with them. Oh. I don't know what you mean by that, but I will think that you are trying to be nice. So what do you guys think for the day? Are you going to wait and see what New York does? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking we'll get like a nice retracement when New York opens. Hopefully back to VWAP. I'd love to see a test of VWAP. Okay, so VWAP is, let's take a look here. VWAP is 640. Yeah, exactly. Gold can wipe your account with some volatile moves. Oh my gosh, in like a blink of an eye, like 10 points is $1,000. Have you guys ever gone into gold with like a few minis? I have. I admit it. And just the bid-ask spread alone. Okay, so here's NASDAQ. We are pulling back a little bit. It looks like it wants to fill this in the volume profile, hopefully go test VWAP. I'm going to wait to get into any trades since we just booked that gold trade. Hey, Coach Fred, Happy New Year. Thank you so much. You got this too. Let's make 2026 a great year. Silver is worse than gold. Oh yeah, I heard that. I have not, wait, I've put on like 2 trades on silver, but I haven't like really traded it. Just because I've heard like such terrible stories about how massive the silver contracts are and how it is worse than gold. Exactly. Oscar, oh my gosh, silver has become so popular. It seems like I just keep hearing people talking about trading silver, trading silver. And then we had that like massive correction. I don't know if people are still trading silver or if they're scared to trade it now. Yeah, it is. Silver is gold on steroids. But you know, it's gonna catch up to you, just like steroids. Robbie says VWAP bounce on gold. Go long? I don't know. Is that what you're thinking, Rob? Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. I don't know. This area here, I feel like could get filled. So gold is up 1%. And just a reminder, we have the whole trading day ahead of us, right? So just because gold is up 1% right now, it doesn't mean it's going to stay at 1%. So yeah, be careful if you're going to long gold. Just don't know. Like to me, this looks really heavy. Ooh, as far as looking at the volume profile, there's a lot of people who bought up here. So they might be trying to escape currently. Ooh, gold. You guys, trading gold gives me like a panic attack. It's like the contracts are so big. Good morning, Ethan. Good morning. Adrian says, my very first time I traded silver, this was a CFD prop firm. I entered and I was already down $100. Just a little move. I was down 500. Oh no. Yeah. That's what trading like 3 minis is like when you put it on gold. Ugh. And your very first time trading silver too. Yes, there is a My Funded Future stream today. Everyone tune in about 30 minutes. We will be streaming. Nick does futures, Tom Sabo, and I will be kicking off the new year together. So definitely come and join us. Yeah, well, we always have giveaways, which is fun. And we do a debate segment now where usually it's Nick and Tom debating. Although I did debate, I think twice now. Yeah, I have debated, but they are the experts, right? So they go at it. It's really fun. Yes, there will be giveaways on the My Funded Future stream. Definitely check us out if you haven't. Oh, you guys, it's going to be quite the year. I think patience will be key. Working on developing patience to sit in trades longer, patience to wait for good trades, which can be really hard to do. I think, I don't know, what would you guys say? Like, how often does your your A++ setup, how often does it appear for you? I would say mine, like if I could only take one type of trade for the rest of my life, I could only take one type of trade. The type of trade that I would take only happens maybe at the most like once a month. So I know, even for a day trade, but that would be kind of tricky, right? To like only take one trade a month. I'd have to really develop my patience. Good morning, Martin. Adwin, what is up? Oh, prop firm offers. Yeah, so some of the best deals right now. I would say if you don't want to pass an eval, Tradeify has a great deal. It actually ends today. I'm not sure what time it ends today, but it's 50% off of their 25 direct to funded accounts and also 50K direct to funded accounts. So it brings down the price from $500 to $250 about using code Terri. Thanks for using my code, you guys. So with that account, the 50K, you just have to make $3,000 and then you can request $2,000 and there's no eval to pass. So that's what's awesome about that one. There is a 20% consistency rule. So that is good to know, but it is end of day drawdown. And then also with My Funded Futures, it's if you're a new trader with My Funded Futures, there's still a 50% off sale. I think off of the pro accounts, maybe. The pro accounts are still 30% off any size for everyone. And then also the rapid accounts is either 20 or 30% off right now. And the rapid accounts are the daily payout accounts with My Funded Futures that they just made permanent. Please use code Terri to help support the channel. Thanks, guys. Yeah, great question. And then also, Take Profit Trader, they've been keeping that 40% off deal with no activation fee for a long time now. And then 40% off trade day too. So many deals. It's like incredible. It's like deals everywhere. We definitely have to make a budget and stick with it, right? Ethan asked what's the consistency with there's no consistency with My Funded Futures. With Tradeify, it's 20% for the direct to funded accounts. Yeah. I did request a $3,000 payout from them on the direct to funded account, the 150K. This is also good to know, you guys, with Lucid, if you are not into buying the direct to funded because maybe you think you can pass the evals and save yourself some money, then with Lucid, whatever fee you pay for that first month, that's it. They don't rebill you. So that's really good to know. And then there's no pressure either. Like you can take 6 months to pass it, like no worries. They do have a rule that you have to trade. I think it's like once a month on your account, which is nothing. Silky smooth. All right, guys, I am going to wrap it up a little bit early today. I'm just going to go and get ready for the My Funded Future stream. I'll see you over there in about 14 minutes. I hope you have such a great day today. I hope you're able to kick off the new year on a good foot. And if you haven't you know, if it was a little rocky, it's okay. It's just the first day of the year. So we've got the rest of the days, rest of the trading days. I believe on average, it's like 250 trading days out of a year. So if today was a bad day, don't worry about it because we still have 249 trading days left. Good luck, everyone. I'm wishing you a green day. And if it's a red day, I hope it's a very small red day. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.